Well, boys and girls, this is Hot Boy Orlando here. My new project today was putting in a high-tech fan switch and a really nice high-tech fan. Nice, right? That's what I thought too. So why don't we test it out? Let's go over here. We'll put it on fan high, turn on a light. I'll tell you, boys and girls, this is one of the best fans I ever put up. And that thing seems like it's going about ready to lift off the damn helicopter. Look at that thing go. So that was my project today. Beautiful fan. Look at that thing go. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, I do my own electrical. I do all my own stuff. Yeah, get a hold of me. This is Hot Boy Orlando. Have a nice night.